Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bank of America referral links for financial affiliate content, beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure Bank of America referral links for your financial affiliate content, start by logging into your Bank of America affiliate account. Once logged in, navigate to the affiliate dashboard. Look for the section labeled Links or Referral Links. This section typically provides access to various promotional tools. Select the option to create a new referral link. Now, choose the specific Bank of America product or service you wish to promote. Common choices include credit cards, savings accounts, or investment services. After selecting the product, fill out any required information, such as promotional details. Review the terms and conditions associated with the referral program. Ensure you understand the commission structure for the links you will create. Once you have completed the necessary fields, click on Generate Link. The system will then create a unique referral link for you. Copy this link to your clipboard or note it down for later use. Next, decide where you want to place this link in your content. Consider adding the referral link in your blog posts, videos, or social media. Before publishing, double-check that the links function properly. It's a good idea to test them by clicking on each one to verify redirection. After successful testing, you can integrate the links into your content. Make sure to provide context around the link to inform your audience. After publishing your content, track the performance of your referral links. Utilize the analytics tools in the affiliate dashboard for insights. Regularly check for updates or changes in the referral programs offered by Bank of America. This will help you stay compliant and up to date with promotional opportunities. Engage with your audience by answering questions related to the products you promote. This will build trust and credibility in your affiliate marketing efforts. By following these steps, you can effectively configure Bank of America referral links for your financial affiliate content. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.